Look, making a video showing you, look at this hole. If I have never opened here, I would have never seen this hole. Look at this. See? They try to patch it like, and it gotta be like somewhere right there the water coming too. Look all at the bottom here, look. See that? And in the corner is so bad. The corner is so bad. Behind here is where the hell of the craziness is. Right here. Anyways, just a little video to show you what's going on because you're not here, so that's what's up. So instead of me going 1 foot, I might gotta go a little bit more.